koalas, sparrows. There are said to be 18 crocodiles that live in this water, which is quite interesting for a lake situated in the middle of a metropolitan city like London. And if you look just across the harbour, we see that this is situated right between the heart of the city, between
connection and a network. So we are here to preach that we don't use plastic and be a very green person. Seven principles. Okay, it works on 7 principles. Number 1 is Earth has a big ocean with many features. Number 2, the life in the ocean and the life in the ocean make the Earth shape. Make the Earth in a shape. Number 3, ocean is mainly influence our weather and climate. Okay, everything is connected with the climate and weather. Number 4, human and the ocean and the human is perpetually connected. Ocean is a habitable. And the last ocean is everybody in the ocean is the last one. These are the 7 principles of the ocean. So you first have to read this principle.
whole biodiversity, nature, biology thing. Nutrients is the key word. I think it's absolutely spot on. Fabulous, absolutely thorough, brilliant. So, the nutrients here are obviously pollutants, chemicals. So, they are feeding into something which is thriving, okay, with more pollutants in the nutrients for the plants. So, they are encroaching the lake and covering the lake and shrinking the lake. Got it?
Are there any
Yes.
industries around? Those
Yes.
are discharging their waste into water.
All right. To man's answer, we have poaching going on here, and the poachers go and collect the fish and derive the fish from there. We can't stop them because does not belong to anyone but the ecosystem and the BMC. All right. Now, man's question was that is there any industrial waste going in? Yes. We will see along the way if we have time 16 silt traps. In the silt traps, which was built 100 years ago, we open it and we release all the pollution into the sea, alright? Now, when this water flows into Methi River, the entire Methi River from here to Pune, stop industrial areas. So these, the government will stop encroachment, but they have lived from Bapdada time, what do you say? Ancestors' time, they have earned the chop for chemicals, for industrial factories, leathers, bags, you see Haravir and everything, right? Yeah. So they will not let it go. If it was your grandparents or Dada Dadis who gave you that shop, would you let it go? You would hold on to it. It's like a piece of curio art. Like that, these shops near the rivers and the lakes and oceans are given by the ancestors, and they are ignorant and not educated, and they're clinging on to it, whether it's a leather or a tailoring shop or an acid making factory or tire making factory. They are clinging on to it and won't get let go for dear life. So the government, what do you think the government needs to do? Displacement, it's called. Replacement. So needs to give them alternative solutions. Like in your house, the dog cannot sit on your dining table or your dining chair. Where can the dog sit? Sofa or on the floor or a particular rug or as you think it lies in your own home, right? So the dog will be given another place to sit, but not on the dining table. So you get it as simple as that. Okay. So the whole meeting of man has encroachment right in Pudla. Okay, from there in Mahi you will see the mangroves which are gutted. Yes, your question.
Oh, really? After lunch, she was like that.